In the early 1990s, a revolution brewed beneath Seattle's rain-soaked streets. The grunge movement, represented by bands like Nirvana and Soundgarden, wasn't just music, it was a cultural uprising. Their raw sound challenged the excesses of the 80s, with powerful themes of alienation and despair. The iconic track "Smells Like Teen Spirit" became an anthem for a generation seeking authenticity. But behind the music lay personal struggles, addiction and heartbreak that shattered legends. Rumor has it, Kurt Cobain's lyrics often reflected his turmoil, creating an unforgettable connection with fans. As the grunge sound faded, its legacy reshaped rock music forever. Follow for more rock music history.